Hey everyone, welcome back. In this guide, I'm going to show you how to assign tasks in Clickup. Assigning tasks properly helps your team stay accountable, organized, and clear on who's responsible for what. So yeah, let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, sign into your Clickup account using your email and password. After logging in, you'll land on your workspace dashboard where all your spaces, lists, and tasks are available. Now navigate to the space folder or list where your task is located. Find the task you want to assign. You can assign a task directly from the list view without opening it. Just look for the assignee field next to the task name and click on it. A drop-down will appear showing all members in your workspace. Select the person you want to assign the task to. As soon as you click their name, the task is assigned instantly and they'll receive a notification. Yeah, super quick. You can also assign tasks from inside the task itself. Click on the task to open the task details panel. At the top, click on the assignee section and choose one or more people. ClickUp allows multiple assignees, which is helpful when tasks require collaboration between team members. Another useful tip is assigning tasks while creating them. When you click Add Task, you can set the assignee right away before saving the task. This ensures tasks are never left unassigned and reduces confusion later on. If you're working in board view, assigning tasks is even more visual. Just open a task card or click the assignee icon on the card and choose the team member. You can also combine assignees with statuses and priorities to better manage workload. ClickUp also supports automations for task assignment. For example, when a task moves to a specific status, ClickUp can automatically assign it to a certain person. This is great for support tickets, content reviews, or approval workflows. Finally, you can quickly see all tasks assigned to you or your team by using filters or switching to the Everything view. This makes it easy to track responsibilities and stay on top of work. And that's it. Assigning tasks in ClickUp is simple, flexible, and essential for smooth team collaboration. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your team, and subscribe to the channel for more ClickUp tutorials. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.